남의 노연이 타게도 다시 쓰고 싶다는
Hello. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope everybody is doing good and safe. So today I'll be doing Indian versus Korean makeup tutorial. I'll be applying one look on my half face and the other half the other look. At the end of the video, we'll compare the look which look good on me. I'm not an expert in makeup, so we'll stick with the basic and simple one which you can use in your day-to-day life. So without any delay further, let's get started.
Firstly, let me just fix this hair so that it won't block my way while applying. Okay, it looks good. Okay, let's start. So now I'm gonna apply foundation. Okay, not that expert. You guys probably can't even see the product name, but don't worry, I'll mention it in the description box below just for you guys. Yeah, like that. Just tap it until it get blended. Oh, let me just tell you, I have applied my primer on the base before my foundation, so you do yours, and of course don't forget your neck too. Now let's move to the concealer. I'm applying from Maybelline New York, so I'm just gonna apply wherever it needed, wherever I feel it's imperfect, like my under eye, dark circles, and around my mouth. Time to blend it again. Now contouring time. Okay, time to make that invisible nose too visible. As you see, my nose is pretty tiny, so let's contour the nose bridge to trick your eyes. Yeah, blend it. Now let's apply that blushy blush to get that ripey, juicy, peachy cheek. Time to emphasize my natural brows. I don't have much, but it's pretty okay. I'm happy with that. Let's brush to make them flat and smooth. Now comes the tricky part. I'm gonna apply my eye pencil. I only apply eye pencils because I'm bad with liquid liners. If you're good with it, go for it. I'm just gonna stick with my pencil. Let's try to make a wing. Yeah, this is the tricky one. Wow, I did it pretty good. Let's have a round of applause for that. Here comes another tricky part. Of course, we have to put together that bigger eye look. Can't skip. And put some mascara. Usually I don't put mascara, but if you're comfortable in day-to-day use it. I'm not. And highlight the nose bridge a little bit. Now, last but not the least, apply the lipstick. I'm applying the natural color to keep that natural look. So that's it. It's all done. let's begin with the other look on this side. So this side I'm gonna do the Indian look. As you have already seen, I have done with my base makeup this side as well. So directly I'm gonna start with my brows. This side I'm gonna make darker and deeper. And I'm gonna put some eyeshadow to get that wide and big eye look. And I'm contouring to get those cheekbones and slimmer my face. Now let's apply the liner to make my eye more prominent and bigger. This side I'm choosing bright lip color to enhance the look. Ta-da! I'm all done! It's like my makeup tutorial, and let me know which look do you like better in the comment section down below. For today, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give a thumbs up and subscribe the channel. So I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye! See you guys in the next one. Bye!